Let's see how to find the average in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, just like Microsoft Excel, there is one way that you can do to get the average of a set of numbers in Microsoft Word. So to do that, simply click on the cell where you want to place your average values. So for this one, we're going to put it right here. Now click on table layout, and here click on formula, which is the last one. And let's go ahead and remove all of these except for the equal sign. Now under paste function, click average, and that should show up in your formula field. Now, just like Microsoft Excel, imagine that you have to label these cells such that this would be A1, this would be B1, C1, D1, and E1. And here, for the rows, they would be the numbers. So while this is A, B, C, D, E, this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So let's say that we want to find the average of these numbers right here. So that would be the average of A1, A2, and as you can see, all we did was input the location of these cells, and we treated it as if it's Microsoft Excel. Now let's click on OK, and that should calculate your average for this data set. And that is how you can get the average in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.